Thank you for joining me as we continue to uncover the mysteries of Craftley Hall. June 8th, 2024. I continue my research and discover a small diary inside the old trunk. It contained the daily thoughts of a woman named Alice, who I soon discovered is Rose's cousin, and she has come to live with them at Craftley Hall. June 9th, 2024. As I begin to read Alice's daily thoughts, I find that she was the first to notice strange things about the house. She was sure she heard scratching noises coming from the cellar, but when she went to look around, all she found was an old birdcage. June 10th, 2024. Alice is very uneasy as she tries to settle into her new home. She even thinks she sees someone walking around the old cemetery. She states it looked to be a man dressed as a reverend. June 11th, 2024. I continue to read through Alice's diary and find things do not seem to be getting better for her. A few days after she first heard the noises, she sees a young boy peering through the window of the door at her. She decided to go see who it was. When she got outside, there was no one there. All she found was a stack of pebbles beside the door. June 12th, 2024. Alice had decided it was best not to tell Rose and Jeffrey about these strange things she was seeing. They might think she was losing her mind and send her away. But she again sees another mysterious figure while cleaning one of the rooms of the house, but she tries to put it out of her mind. Thank you for joining me again as we discover the mysteries of Craftley Hall. Please join me again next week as I dive deeper into these mysteries to discover who is Alice seeing and who is making these strange sounds.